Alright guys, here we go. We about to make some of this lazy man gumbo. Brought to you by Second Line Creole Seasoning. If you want to be cooking 3-4 hours, this is the perfect recipe for you. First off, hit it with that Second Line Creole Seasoning. I got all my meats prepared, they cut, diced, and ready. Just gotta season them up. Make sure you mix that seasoning in there real good. Dump that trinity in the pot. Hit it with that sausage. That's right, guys. I'm using 2 separate types of sausage. Why? Because I want more flavor. Go ahead and mix that up. Brown it up. Get it ready in that pot. But the key is, keep all the juice that's coming from this sausage. Do not throw that away. Go ahead and add that chicken in there that we had seasoned up real good. Now do the same thing. Mix it up. Brown it. Remember I say keep the juices, right? Go ahead and hit it again with that Second Line Creole seasoning. Don't be shy at all. There you go. Dump it all in there. Now that juice we talked about, you see it bubbling in there as you mix it up in that juice? That's all that flavor. That's all that flavor. Now here's the cheater. Blue Runner Gumbo Base. That's right. Add a little bit of that chicken stock in it. Always go with unsalted. Get it all in there. Hit it again with that Second Line. I love flavor. There we go. Now we hit the shrimp. Get my shrimp lined up. Got my snow crabs ready to go into. I'll always wait till right before the end to add that shrimp in there and add my snow crabs in there. There you go. So they cook real fast. Get it all in there and mix it up. Mix it up real good. Let all that flavor soak. And there you go. Lazy Man Gumbo. Ready in about 45 minutes. Good to go. Lazy Man Gumbo.